Hey guys, how's it going? My name's Matt, and today I'm gonna check out one of the newest, largest malls in Okinawa, Parco City Mall. I have not been there yet. They built it over the summer. It's supposed to be a big mall. It's supposed to be one of the largest malls on the island. It's the San-A equivalent to Rycom, if you know anything about Rycom. Also a very large mall in Okinawa. So for the first time, I'm gonna go check out this Parco City Mall now that I'm here, see how big it is, and we'll tour it for you guys that aren't here on Okinawa and wanna see this new mall. So, first impressions, it looks
like a bigger Aeon mall. Oh no, not Aeon, sorry, San-A.
San-A, yeah.
San-A.
It looks just like any other mall here, except bigger.
Bigger.
The Rycom, the other mall, is actually more like an American mall. It's very spread out, open, has lots of balconies and stuff. This one's more Japanese style, where it's like everything's just enclosed, but it's big, a lot of space, but it's just enclosed. So they have a Panda Express here. This guy,
Never been there before.
he's never had Panda Express. So this mall has a movie theater, and at the moment, the new Star Wars movie is playing. You haven't seen it? Actually, I haven't seen it either.
That's right on.
Uh-huh. Oh, it is right on. I get it.
If we pulled out like one of these jeans, do you think the whole thing would collapse?
Oh my gosh.
Oh, that's right on.
I think you can make that joke one more time, and then it won't be funny after that.
If I make the joke one more time, it'll be a left on rather than a right on. You guys make the left.
Okay. Look at all these jeans. My goodness. You know what's crazy about this? These could all be helping people in Africa. It's better to be naked anyway.
Matt likes that lady's hair over there. How would you say that in Japanese, kid? If you're trying to say it to that lady, you should say Anata no kami ga suki desu.
Anata no kamigata ga suki desu. Huh, what is that?
You can sing into it and then listen to yourself.
Really?
This is where Chris realizes that he has been a professional singer all along.
Not very practical.
So this is where we are. Actually, where are we? There is no "you are here." Oh yes, there is. We are here, and we're here, and we want to get to here. Oh, you want to try one of those?
Yeah, it looks very smooth.
What do you guys think? What else we got here?
3D massage roll. I think you're just supposed to like, I don't know, looks like she looks like a lumberjack that's just like sitting down.
We got these things too. Oh, whoa. Oh. So this mall is pretty big, bigger than I thought. We've been here like an hour and a half probably, and we've only done half of the third floor, and the third floor I think is the top floor, so there's 3 floors. So we're 1/6 of the way done, if I did my math correctly.
This is why we came to Parco City, guys. So we can check out the Lawson over there.
Yeah. All right, here's Kit's store. Oh, cool. The shisaws.
Map over there, and you're like, most of the food stuff's on the third floor. It said most of it was on the third floor, at least most of the specific food things. Maybe you just really want a Panda Express, and you're like, that's all.
They're arguing. I'm gonna go over here. All right, guys, we're looking for the food court.
Like similar to Manchu Walk, because I feel like
Yes.
style-wise it is.
Style-wise, but Manchu Walk sucks. Panda Express, I mean, it's not great food, but it's a lot better than Manchu
It's
Walk.
gotta be better than sucks, right?
It's better than sucks. It's more like blows. It's the opposite of sucks. No, wait, that's still bad. No, that's still bad. Wait a minute. I was just trying to go for the opposite. Damn it. When you onara, it's like a breeze. It's a mist in the wind.
So this is a fart, basically. Is that what you're saying?
I don't know what I'm saying anymore. All right, so we have to do a taste test of how similar Panda Express is to the American Panda Express. This is the only Panda Express in the island, guys. What Chris was saying was the line was out the door when it opened. So I'm kind of excited to try it. I'm not gonna lie. Panda Express is not that great, but hey, you know, gotta try it in Japan, right? All right, first bite of Panda Express in Japan. I feel like it does taste a little bit different. This is the orange chicken, a classic.
Tastes exactly the same. All right, let's try this rice. That's just as bad as the regular Panda Express rice.
There's like chunks of peaches in there.
So it tastes exactly the same, right?
Yeah, it tastes exactly the same. All right.
That is really good. Okay, first Panda Express.
Itadakimasu. Hi. Yeah, that's good.
Since we're both Asian, do me a favor and try the rice. Now keep in mind, this is not on base. This is off base where rice is top quality.
Yeah, I wish that
Yeah, it's so bad.
Actually,
But it's not good rice. The rice.
I feel like the rice is worse than America.
It's like they tried to imitate America's bad rice, and then they made it worse.
That's exactly what they did.
By making it worse. Because we're just
Yeah, it's
that
really
good.
plain. There's like no flavor.
Panda Express Japan was like, don't worry, we can make some inferior rice. And they succeeded.
So that was it for Parco City Mall, the new mall that was built, what, 6 months ago in Okinawa. So, final thoughts. What do you think on it?
Source selection, I would say probably
I forgot I have my mic on.
4 to 5. We didn't check out some of the bigger, like more pop. Oh wow,
That's what you gotta talk to.
I thought you were showing
You
me a
gotta talk
chest
to
hair at
this.
first. Okay. So I'd say the store-wise, it's like a 4 out of 5 stars. But we didn't check out some of like the bigger stores, like Zara or H&M. As far as like other stores go, like there was that massage place that was pretty cool.
Oh yeah, they had a pretty cool phone case store.
And then they had like other stores like Village Vanguard. They had Legos. They had I forget what I was gonna call it, the Weeaboo store, but I don't know what it's
Oh yeah,
called.
there is the Weeaboo store. It's a cool store for nerds. I mean, I liked a lot of the stuff in there. What did you think?
Yeah.
As much complaints as I've heard from people who are like, yeah, the Rycom is so much better. I actually kind of like this one better.
Yeah, I think Rycom is definitely more grand,
Yeah, it's more grand, definitely.
but this
As far as like
one...
the shopping, I feel like this is more efficient.
Anyway, guys, that was the Parco City Mall, new mall in Okinawa.
We didn't hear what your thoughts were on it.
Oh yeah, it's gonna rain.
Great.
Okay, that's it. We parked on the roof, but there is literally nothing on this roof. There is not a single car up here. Look at this. It's completely empty every direction we go. I guess we gotta run that way because we're on the wrong side of the roof.
Bye.